With all the data breaches out there, it can get really scary, especially when you start thinking about your credit, because you never know, right? Plus, if anybody's had access to your social security number in the past, they could be doing something nefarious with your credit. So you always want to check your credit score on a regular basis. Now you can go to annualcreditreport.com and get a free copy of your credit report, or you could go to TransUnion, Equifax, or the other one that I can never remember, Experian. There we go, I'm so proud of myself. You could go to any three of those and buy your credit report. So you can also set up a monitoring system, as well as you can put blocks on your credit so no one can open up credit. And that's something I've had to do in the past. So it really helped me out, was going in, putting a block on my credit so no one could open up credit underneath my name unless they called and had the secret code and did all the things. And that actually saved my bacon more than once. So if you're worried about that kind of thing, then I highly recommend get your credit report from annualcreditreport.com and go ahead and check out your TransUnion, your Equifax, your Experian accounts. They're just three different credit reporting bureaus. Check those out. If you want to get an account with one of them, then get an account with one of them and then lock your credit down so you don't have to worry about anybody getting in and taking advantage of your good credit.